I'm gonna do YouTube things. Oh, you're on the phone. Never mind.
No, I'm not on the phone.
She's not on the phone. Huh?
Are you on right now?
Am I on right now? Yeah.
Yo!
That's going in. We are at Swarner Skate Park. I guess I should probably talk to this thing. Hanging out with the RC group. Breaking everything like we do. I'm down. I got a battery charged. Nitro over there screaming. There she goes. Somewhere. Hey, you need to get Chucky out again. I don't know, he looked pretty cool riding with the fingers out like that.
Made it out the hood, now I'm just visiting my mama. Make a couple mil, get up a crib in the Bahamas, what I'm on. Fly public airplane, private island with some young niggas under my wing. I'm diamond dollars, diamond. Top of the morning, stop by my block, that's on top of my touring. 5,000 dot guys, they caught my performance. Shawty, my orders, call my pluggy on the callers. Where I'm from, nigga, straight west side, where I get it in that. I might up a red dot up on the Citizen app. If I double park the ride, it's not a ticket attached. If she fucking up the vibe, got it sit in the back. Cause I made it out the hood, now I'm just visiting my mama. Make a couple mil, get up a crib in the Bahamas, what I'm on. Fly public airplane, private island with some young niggas under my wing. I'm diamond dollars, diamond. Rough out my cut, I grew fonder. Ballin' with my brothers like I'm Giannis. That's a promise, I'm the big black bang. Six pack chain, the wrist ain't no Missy, the switch that's down. Hey, one eye open, I don't trust these bitches. I'm only one flight over, I can bust these bitches. I'm on the run with it. I'm in every city in a new hood. Nigga Gary Betty like the new show. New year, same friends, it's a balance. New crib, same block, it's surveillance. New bib, same section, all placing at the mouth. But better suppress it, get this up and all waist like blah. Bag it up, stay torn, wrap it up, lay more. Dicky khakis on your neighbor, this ain't State Farm. Bitch next door, you slam, you gon' pay for it. Tesla on my charger plug, checking on my phone. I thought cuz was trying to finesse me. Ain't no way this watch can cost that much. I text my daughter shopping up that jack on there, they carved them up. The true shit don't get bossing up. Them humans ain't apartment hunters, partial up. Made it about this bitch and got my guns. We got youngins who gon' dumb shit. Wonder how I run shit. Well, I fought a lot of niggas at the function. If I could do it all again, I would've jumped. Sparking off assumptions, I start with the facts. Some niggas said they did it like me, now they caught in the act. You on the gram, that's your bitch, so you bought her back. I bought it back for all them bitches, you just saw in the ass. I double advance and I can comment like it's nonchalant. My private, I can pocket, have a parking lot. Hold on. Bank check, my bank keep tabs on my statements. I just copped the villa for the money, shit like Drake crib. I can fuck with bitches who like steak bread, I'm basic or racist. I still ain't throw no white flag on no beat. And shit, let Brenda got the cheapest crib. My condo up the street from it, the lease for and the baby, and we keeping it. Made it out the hood, now I'm just visiting my mama. Make a couple mil, get up a crib in the Bahamas, what I'm on. Fly public airplane, private island with some young niggas under my wing. I'm diamond dollars, diamond. Rough out my cut, I grew fonder. Ballin' with my brothers like I'm Giannis. That's a promise, I'm the big black bang. Six pack chain, the wrist ain't no Missy, the switch that's down.
Hold on, don't send it yet. I'm up.
Woo! It's go, 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 go time. Tick, tick, boom. Who bringing the noise? Go, baby, we bringing our toys. Separate men from the boys. Chopper be singing, should be on the voice. Bang, bang, we gon' ride out. Gang, gang, we don't die out. Want it like this, ain't no timeouts. Tell me who really gon' find out. Rowdy, we get rowdy, rowdy. Rowdy, we get rowdy, rowdy. We be disturbing the peace. Working, we serving the streets. About to go ahead, going beast. Bang, bang, leave you sleep. Tick, tick, boom. Hard body, and not scaring nobody. You make me resort to wildin'. You must be blind by the diamonds. I didn't want it to be this way, but y'all won't need to try this. So it's no way around it. You the loudest one, it's going quiet. Rowdy, we get rowdy, rowdy. disturbing the peace. Working, we serving the streets. About to go hit, going beast. Bang, bang, leave you sleep. Woo! It's go, 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 go time. Tick, tick, boom.
You can't stop me, so who gon' stop me? You can't stop me, so who gon' stop me? You can't stop me, so who gon' stop me? You can't stop me, so who gon' stop me?
We be disturbing the peace. Working, we serving the streets. About to go hit, going beast. Bang, bang, leave you sleep. Woo! It's go, 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 go time. Tick, tick, boom.
That looks sick, bro. I'm gonna be able to edit that into some cool shit, man. What'd you say your name was?
I'm Joel.
I'm Dylan.
Dylan,
You cool going in a YouTube video, man?
What's up?
You cool if I put that in a YouTube video? I've got like 60 subs, so it's not gonna be seen by millions.
Oh, sorry. It's out of water. Yeah, I don't care, man.
Right on, dude. I appreciate you letting me do this, dude. It's sick when people let me fly around them.
I haven't skated in probably like 7 months, and
You're
I'm
killing it,
hungover
bro.
right now.
You're killing it.
But
That was
here
sick.
we are.
That was sick, dude. Really good.
Good deal, good deal.
Really good shit, man.
Good
I
meeting you,
appreciate
man.
it for real.
You guys live around here?
Kinda. We're up north in Northland.
Okay, I live in Westport, so this used to be the home turf a long time ago, yeah.
Yeah, a lot of people see the RC group meets here all the time, and we'll go over there to that giant parking lot. Yeah, if you want to follow me on YouTube, I don't have a card or anything. I've just got a YouTube channel. It's just Dylan E. Welch. I should probably change it eventually.
Yeah.
Rebrand myself from my actual legal name.
Well,
Easy find. Easy to look up by client. I'll try to have this video out. I mean, it'll be out by the end of the week for sure.
cool. Yeah, I'll check it out for sure.
Right on. I
Give you a
appreciate
like
it.
and shit. So.
Hell yeah, man. Sub
Thank
if it's
you.
worth it. Check out some of my other stuff. I fly this thing in abandoned buildings, like fly it through
really?
holes in the roof
You
and
ever
shit.
crashed it?
All the time.
Yeah, all the time.
All the time.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Yep. I mean, look at these chunked out props I got on it. It happens.
It's still kicking. It works.
Oh yeah, it's fun. I like getting behind and chasing stuff. Anything that moves, it's fun to fly around for sure.
Okay. Hell
All
yeah.
right, I appreciate it, man, for real.
Yeah. Have a good
Take
one,
it easy,
guys.
bud.
Take care.
Whoa.
100 Straight to the top, never going down, don't wait for the drop. Never stand still, that's the motto. Yeah, brand new bands for the auto. Whoa, foot to the ground, full throttle. Big energy for the night like lotto. Damn, y'all talk lots, never this quiet. Life like a Seinfeld plot. Vault full of songs, all of them bombs. Something like a minefield guy. Boom. Get it, tickets running out quick. Bet it, never getting outbid. Said it, never had to shout it. They said I couldn't ever do it, okay, how's this? Fit a week worth of work in a minute. Machine well oiled, you know how I stay efficient. To-do list written, I do this different. Hold up, wait a minute, I ain't finished. Look, flows the same now. Paved the way to snakes and fakes are chased out. Back to back to back, I changed the pace now. Had to stack the cash until the bank's out. Straight to the top, never going down, don't wait for the drop. Never stand still, that's the motto, yeah. Brand new bands for the auto, whoa. Foot to the ground, full throttle. Big energy for the night like lotto. Damn, y'all talk lots, never this quiet. Life like a Seinfeld plot. Vault full of songs, all of them bombs. Something like a minefield guy, boom.
Wieder mal am Döner, doch Casino fahren wir gleich. Heute ist der Abend, wo ich denke, ich werd reich. Laufe durch Charlottenburg, doch renn vor Polizei. In mein Trainingsanzug, Adidas, da fällt es mir zu leicht. Kontakte in Amerika, ich frage sie, what up? Ich wollte nicht saufen, aber habe es verkackt. Handy klingelt ohne Pause und ich lehne ab. Hab ich Kater nach der Party, geht mir alles auf den Sack. FaceTime-Call mit meinem Bruder aus Türkei. Er bringt mir ein Trikot, was gefälscht ist, aber geil. Die Kippe in den Plastikbecher, kalten Wodka rein. Ich kann nicht mehr denken, aber stehen wie eine Eins. Ich will ein Mercedes, der neben gut aussehen und schnell fahren noch einiges mehr kann. Und fragt mich der Kommissar, was ich verkaufe, dann sorry, but I don't speak German.
Straight to the top, never going down, don't wait for the drop. Never stand still, that's the motto, yeah. Brand new bands for the auto, whoa. Foot to the ground, full throttle. Big energy for the night like lotto. Damn, y'all talk lots, never this quiet. Life like a Seinfeld plot. Vault full of songs, all of them bombs. Something like a minefield guy, boom.
With my half-dead GoPro. And get ready to go home and start. Well, I guess I gotta work some more today. But got some cool video to edit. Cool people are cool. Shit, I don't remember his name. I'm gonna have to look back in the video and get his name again. But that skater dude, Cool people, good people. Packing up, heading to the house. That was about it.